Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play bus mods in Euro Truck Simulator 2. First, you'll need to find a reliable source for bus modifications. Look for popular community websites that offer a wide selection of buses, from city coaches to luxury tour vehicles. Once you've chosen your desired bus, download the mod files. Remember to also download a passenger mod, as this is essential for the full bus driving experience. These two components work together to bring the passenger transport simulation to life. Now let's get those mods installed. Open your Documents folder, then navigate to Euro Truck Simulator 2 and find the mod folder. This is where all your game modifications reside. Take the downloaded bus mod and passenger mod files, which should be in the SCS format, and simply drag and drop them into this mod folder. It's a straightforward process, usually taking less than 1 minute. Make sure both files are present for the complete experience. With the mods in your folder, it's time to activate them within the game. Start Euro Truck Simulator 2, and before loading your profile, click on the Mod Manager option. Here, you'll see a list of all your installed modifications. Find your bus mod and the passenger mod, then double-click each one to move them to the active mods list on the right. Pay close attention to the load order. Often, the passenger mod needs to be placed above the bus mod for optimal functionality. Confirm your selections and load your game. Finally, you're ready to hit the road as a bus driver. Once in your game profile, head to any truck dealer. With the mods active, these now function as bus dealerships. Browse and purchase your new bus. Next, navigate to the freight market, which will now display passenger transport jobs. Select a route, pick up your virtual passengers, and embark on your journey across the detailed European map. Enjoy the unique experience of transporting people instead of cargo, offering a fresh perspective on the game.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.